Hello, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I'd like to show you a project that I recently finished. This is one of my UFOs unfinished projects that I decided that it was time to complete. On a sweatshirt, I had cross-stitched this design. I decided that I wanted to turn the sweatshirt into a tunic instead of just a regular sweatshirt. So what I did was I cut off the ribbing at the top, I cut off the ribbing at the bottom, and also the ribbing on the sleeves. At the top, I wanted a little V-neck, and I wanted it to be lined with the fabric. For the cuff, I wanted a border with an accent piece. And the bottom, I wanted the same thing. I am really happy the way this turned out, and I can't wait to wear it. I hope that you liked this video. Please like, share, and comment. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great resource for lots of craft information. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for sewing information and projects.